Good morning. Today we see the additive manufacturing technology. It's a fourth year BTech subject and is elective professional elective, and myself P. Srinivas, associate professor, mechanical engineering department, Nurse Engineering College. And go for the first unit. We already covered the up to the fundamentals, and we see today little bit fundamentals and advantages. Fundamentals of rapid prototyping, unit 1, the topic. And next topic is advantages and limitation of rapid prototyping. Now go for rapid prototyping, we will listing the 4 major aspects of RP system. Now input, material, application, methods. In input, we have the 2 types of input. One is CAD model and one more is physical object. In CAD model, we can take surface or solid model. This surface and solid model again we convert into the STL file or IGS file, neutral files. And that neutral files again converting into slice by using the third party software, and that is maybe Cura or so many free softwares are available, and after that we make the rapid prototype. Now you go to the physical model, you can take the physical model, again you make the digitize of that one by using the scanner, 3D scanner. The 3D scanner we can scan the object, and that scanning object you can make directly generate the STL file, otherwise you can generate CAD file, and after that CAD you can make the STL file. After that STL file you can again come to the slice by using the third party software, and again you can make the rapid prototype. Now in this one, the materials using for making the rapid prototype is laminate type, pellets type, white type, and powder type also we can use, and liquid type also we can use. The example of layer type or pellets, that is nothing but paper, nylon is wire, ABS also wire, wax also we can use the wire. Powder is we can use as a metal, ceramic we can use the powder, and liquid is resin is we can use for the these type of materials we are using in our rapid prototype machine. So many varieties of resins are available, varieties of the paper is available, nylon material, so many laminates are available, wires, so many types of wires are available, liquids also, resin, and some photopolymers also there. Now next one is application. Go for application, we can use application, we can design, engineering and analysis, manufacturing and tooling and application we can use. The specific applications are aerospace, automotive, biomedical, consumer products, industries, etc. Now coming with methods. In methods we are joining and binding method also we can use, melting and solidifying, fusing also we can use, cutting and gluing and joining operation also we can use, and last one is photo curing process. In this one, master type and 2 laser beams and single laser beam also we are using in the method. Now these 4 types is give glimpse about your rapid prototype product. Now the one inputs and materials, applications, method, these are the only total thing in rapid prototyping. Now coming with advantages and disadvantages, we go for first advantage of rapid prototyping. Today's automated tools, tool-less, patternless RP systems can directly produce functional parts in small production quantities. Functional parts is nothing but directly we can use for production, or we can make for the application in direct machines. No need of any prototype for seeing or understanding concept. Just we can put it as is and you can use as a regular product. That is called the functional part, which is perform the one function, any type of function. That is called the functional part. Next point, parts produced in this way usually have an accuracy and surface finish inferior to those made by machining. That is subtractive method, fabrication, we are using that one, but here we are by using rapid prototype also we can use small quantities and you can the accuracy and the surface finish as compatible with machining method. And the parts produced with the appropriate post-processing will have materials, qualities and properties close to the final product. Final product means we can compare with the subtractive method products. That's why we are close monitoring everything is properly we design, and we are closely we can control the parameters. We can generate 90% of the component which is competitive with the regular manufacturing. Now these are the direct benefits. Advantage of rapid first, direct benefit. The benefits to the company using RP systems are many. One would be the ability to experiment with physical objects of any complexity in a relatively short period of time. If customer having one idea, he brings that to the tool maker, just he tell the idea, that idea will be generated on a 3D printing. 3D printing means you can make generated on a CAD software. And CAD software, if you want to see in a physical and you want to make assembly constraints, we just directly we can generate the 3D printer model, and physical model will be appear within a fraction of hours. We are generating that particular model and we discuss and we finalize the. This is benefit to the company which is using the rapid prototype. Now this is the example how the rapid prototyping is useful to the company. The general procedure is product design, part drawings, tool design, tool manufacturing, assembly and testing, and function testing. This is the process. Generally, we are in product drawing means we are generating the product drawing. After that, part drawing is for manufacturing of that particular product. We are making the part drawing, that is manufacturable drawings. And after that, we go for the tool design. Which tools are we needed to complete this product or components. And after that, tool manufacturing. After tool design, we are go for the tool manufacturing. And after tool manufacturing, again we go for the assembly and testing. And after that, we go for the function of the testing. Okay, now test and quality. And in this one, we need pictures, special tools, documents, brochures. We need to prepare, and we are fully release the component. This is a general process without RP systems. Now, we implement RP system, the time will be, product design will be same as it is, and RP model in coming into the part drawing. RP model is entering into the part drawing. In part drawing, tool design is there, just the tool design portion also there. We have make the tools, and the small size of production only we are using. In RP system, RP tools also we are used, function testing also we are making by RP model, assembly also we make by RP models. In rapid we are making assembly and we check everything. There we reduce the time. And the tool manufacturing. In tool manufacturing also we use RP system for the small tools. We need a directly on that one, and bigger tools we are making by CNC machines. And in this process, the iterations and the process will be very much reduction up to 10 to 50% reduction, and small object 10 to 20 components, that production will be the time save will be 90%, means 10% only we finish. Means I need only 10 components to produce a plastic some connector. That connector I need only 10. I don't want any press tool. I don't want any metal, and I want to make one piece or 10 pieces. That you can generate within 1 hour, 2 hours. You want to make that particular thing, I need to prepare one tool, and making tool is 1 week time, and the cost will be 20 to 30,000. And the same without tool, I just and 3D printing, I produce 10 components within a matter of 1,000 rupees. Now like that, we can make the time also we can reduce 90%. Means we can reduce 90%. Means within 10% time we finish the thing. This is a major advantage in by using the rapid prototype system. Whenever we need less quantity of the components. Now the next advantage is the product designer. So the Product designer also the advantage will be there. The product designer can increase the part complexity with the little significant effect on a lead time and cost. If I want to make new thing, I want to feel it. The physical component will be give other ideas, and the product will be more complicated. Also, we can design and we can feel and we can check that this is feasible or not. More organic, sculptured shapes for functional or aesthetic reasons. Aesthetic means for looking purpose. Functional means for making some operations reasons can be accommodated. They can optimize part design to meet customer requirements with little effort. Now, with fewer parts, time spent on tolerances analysis, selecting fasteners, detailing screw holes and assembly drawings is greatly reduced. Means this all will be automatically, we need one automatically on that particular one, and we can generate lump sum on the 3D printing, and no need of fastening, just we tight it and we can make, we can glue it and we can sell it. Benefit to the tooling and manufacturing. Benefit to the tooling and the manufacturing engineer can minimize the design, manufacturing and verification of tooling. He can realize profits earlier on new products. Since fixed costs are low, he can also reduce part count and therefore assembly, purchasing and inventory expenses and manufacturing engineering. A benefit to the market. To the market, it presents new capabilities and opportunities. It can greatly reduce time to market, resulting in reduced risk as there is no need of project customer needs and market dynamics several years into the future. The Puma company now using rapid prototype, they want to build a shoe according to your customer requirement, customer sizes. If customer give the size, automatically they build the shoe within 2 to 3 hours or 1 day and they send to your destination. This is facility is available and they making R&D on this particular type of facility. Now with rapid prototyping or rapid manufacturing, products which fit customer needs much more closely, means according to your shoe size of your feet and you can make things. Products offering the price performance of latest technology, because there is no need of so much material wastage and no need of time, just within the hours they make for your shoe without any inventory. Just whoever need, just give the size and automatically they make the thing. They no need of put any showcase for your selection and your fitment, everything. Just you give the whatever you are selecting and you can make 2-3 varieties. You can put it like your paint and you can make so many combination. You can give your own design and just give to the customer, the vendor, the shop owner. They automatically they type it and they give to you within 2 hours. Now like this nowadays after 4 to 5 years this will be happening. Now they are in research phase. And new products begin being test marketed economically. Now benefit to the customer. The consumer can buy products which meet more closely individual needs and wants. Firstly, there is a much wider diversity of offerings to choose from, and secondly, one can buy affordable products built to order. Furthermore, the consumer can buy products at lower prices, since the manufacturer's saving will ultimately be passed